So superhumans, welcome to my channel Connect to Krish. As part of Krish Max, today we will be covering time, speed and distance topic. I will be teaching all the concepts from basic to advanced level. My target is to transform you aspirants into superhumans. So superhumans, next question is, an athlete runs 8 times around a circular field of radius 7 meters in 3 minutes 40 seconds. His speed in kilometers per hour is. So let's consider Usain Bolt or PT Usha running around a circular field. Let us take that radius to be some r. So suppose if they run from this point, they run and cover this distance, then this total distance is nothing but equal to circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r for this circle. This total distance around this circle is 2 pi r. Now coming back to this question, it asks speed, right? Speed is nothing but equal to, we already know that, equal to distance by time. So distance here is nothing but, he runs 8 times around that circular part. So 8 into 2 pi r, 8 into 2 pi r, and in 3 minutes 40 seconds. So first let us convert this into seconds. 3 minutes is nothing but 180 seconds, because 1 minute has 60 seconds, so 3 minutes has 180 seconds. 180 seconds plus 40 seconds is nothing but 220 seconds. Total time will be 220 seconds. I'll explain it again. 3 minutes 40 seconds, right? It's nothing but equal to 1 minute will have 60 seconds. So 3 minutes will have 3 into 60, that is 180 seconds. 3 minutes 40 seconds means we have to add 40 seconds to this 180 seconds. So 3 minutes 40 seconds is equal to 220 seconds. 220 seconds. Now this is nothing but 8 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 is the radius by 220. Simplifying this, we will get 22 ones are 22 tens are 5s are. It's nothing but 8 by 5 meters per second. Now we have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So we will multiply 8 by 5 with 18 by 5, right? I already taught you. It is nothing but equal to 144 by 25 kilometer per hour. So here option C is right. In superhumans, this question was asked in CGL mains 2020. So superhumans, next question is, Dimple is travelling at a speed of 90 km per hour on a highway, while Sachin is travelling at a speed of 100 km per hour. What is the difference in the speeds in meters per second? This was asked in SSC CHSL on 9th August 2021 shift 1. Dimple, after listening to this name, I just recollect that character from Mismatch web series. I personally feel she is a red flag. I don't know what you guys think. Now coming back to this question, difference in speeds is nothing but, like, first Dimple's speed is nothing but 90 kilometers per hour and Sachin's speed, Master Blaster, 108 kilometers per hour. Now their difference is nothing but, in kilometers per hour is 108 minus 90 is nothing but 18 kilometers per hour. Now when he is asking meters per second, just convert it. To convert it, we will multiply it with 5 by 18, already taught you. It's nothing but equal to 5 meters per second. So option A is right. These are all easy questions, friends. I will be increasing the level slowly, so please watch all the parts. So superhumans, next question is, a man covers 5 by 12 of a total journey by train, 7 by 18 of the journey by bus, and remaining 7 kilometers on foot. His total journey in kilometers is. This was asked in SSC CHSL on 10th August 2021 in shift 3. Now generally in these type of questions, what we will do is, denominator, like here denominator 12 is there and here 18, right? So we will assume total distance to be some multiple of 12 and 18. So total distance, I will assume it to be multiple of it has to be multiple of 18 and 12, so that it will easily get cancelled out. So I will assume it to be 72, say, because 72 is also multiple of 12, 72 is also multiple of 18. Now what is given is 5 by 12 of total journey he travels by train. So into 5 by 12, which is nothing but 12 6 30 kilometers he travels by train. 5 by 12, right? 5 by 12 into 72, which is nothing but 12 6 or 6 5 are 30. 30 kilometers he travels by train. Now next 7 by 18. 7 by 18 distance he travels by bus. 7 by 18 is nothing but 18 4 are 72, 7 into 4 28. So 28 kilometers he travels by bus. Next, remaining. 7 by 18 is nothing but 7 by 18 into 72. 18 4s are, so 7 into 4 28. So that is why we got 28. Now remaining it's nothing but 72 is the total distance, right? Minus 30 minus 28 is nothing but 72 minus 58, which is nothing but equal to 14. So 14 kilometers is the remaining distance. In short form, remaining distance is 14 kilometers. But what is given is, what here the answer given is 7 kilometers. This 14 is equivalent to 7. So when will we get 7? When we will multiply this 14 with 1 by 2, right? So our assumption also was wrong. Our assumption of 72 kilometers was wrong. So we have to multiply 72 also with 1 by 2. So 72 into 1 by 2, which is nothing but equal to 36 kilometers. So the answer will be A. Now you might also get a doubt that instead of taking 72, you can take 36 directly, right? Here total distance, because 36 is also multiple of 12, 36 is also multiple of 18. Yeah, you can directly take 36. Then what will be remaining? 7 kilometers will be remaining, right? Then directly I will get the answer. Then you will question me saying that you already know the answer, that's why you assumed it to be 36. No, you can take any multiple, you can take 144 also. But here, whatever here remaining distance, here we got 14. So here you could have taken total distance to be 144 also. 144 is also a multiple of these two. But if you take 144, here the remaining kilometers will be 28. Then you will multiply it with 1 by 4. Then you will get 7. So here also 144 by 4. 144 by 4 is nothing but 36. So this way we will assume it to be some value, and then we will multiply it with the factor, some maybe 1 by 2 or maybe 1 or maybe 1 by 4 or maybe 1 by 6 as given in the question. So here option A is right. Superhumans, next question is, a runner is running at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. If he runs at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour, then what will be the decrease in the percentage of his speed? This was asked in CHSL 2019. So to solve it fast, what I will do is, the speed is reduced from 40 to 30, right? So the ratio, what is it reduced is, it becomes from 4 to 3, right? From 4 to 3, 40 is to 30 is nothing but 4 is to 3. So 4 minus 3, 1. So 1 for 4 parts, right? So for 100, how much it will be? Into 100, which is nothing but equal to 25%. So this is the shortcut trick. So we will mark 25%. Now solving it, what is, now from basics if we solve, decrease in percentage is nothing but 40 minus 30 by initial speed is nothing but 40 kilometers, right? By 40 into 100. So the ratio of the distances Ravina and Suhail had to travel from their respective houses to their workplaces was 4:7. If Suhail had to travel 63 kilometers, how much did Ravina have to travel? These kind of questions were asked in SSC CHSL on 3rd June 2022 in shift 1. But they will not ask questions like why did Ravina Tandon break up with Akshay Kumar, all those stuff they will not ask, but these kind of questions will be asked. Now coming back, 4:7 is given. What is it? It's the ratio of Ravina and Sohail. Now this 7 is equivalent to, it's given as 63 kilometers, right? 63 kilometers. So to get that, I have to multiply 7 with 9. 7 into 9, 63. So now they are asking how much did Ravina have to travel. So we need to find what is this 4 ratio equivalent to. So we need to multiply this also with 9. So 4 into 9 is 36 kilometers. So the answer is D. So superhumans, next question is, the speed of car is 40% more than that of bus. A train covers 1020 kilometers in 8.5 hours. How much distance will the car cover in 1 3/4 hours? The speed of the bus is half the speed of the train. So let us consider car, bus and train here. All it's given is speed of car is 40% more than that of bus. So suppose if I take speed of bus is 100, then 40% more is nothing but car speed will be 140, right? So take the ratio. This is nothing but 7:5. 140 is to 100 is nothing but equal to 7:5 ratio. Now it is also given that the speed of the bus is half the speed of the train. So bus speed is half the speed of the train. So train ratio will be nothing but 10, because half of 10 is nothing but 5. Now what is the speed of train? Speed of train is nothing but distance travelled by train by time taken by train, right? Time taken by train. This is nothing but equal to 1020 by time is nothing but 17/2, because 8 1/2 I can write it as 8 into 2 16 plus 1 17/2. So this will be nothing but 17 6 are 17 6 are 17 1 are 17 6 are 60 into 2 is 120 kilometers per hour. So this 10 ratio is equal to 120 kilometers per hour. So to get that, we'll multiply this with 12, right? This 10 ratio is equal to 120 kilometers per hour. So to get that, we'll multiply this 10 with 12. So similarly, we have to multiply this 7 with 12. What will we get? We'll get 84 kilometers per hour. So speed of car is nothing but speed of car is equal to 84 kilometers per hour. Now what is he asking? How much distance will the car cover in 1 3/4 hours? So distance is nothing but is equal to speed into time. Speed of the car is nothing but 84 kilometers per hour. Time is nothing but 1 3/4 hours. That is nothing but 4 into 1 into 4 4 plus 3 7/4 hours. 4 1s are 2 1s are 4 2s are 1s are 21 147. This will be equal to 147 kilometers. So option B is right. So friends, till here we have covered basic concepts and definitions, and I also solved problems related to that from PYQs. Remaining concepts we will cover in next video.